Today, we're blasting off into space as we draw a cartoon rocket ship, step by step. Are you ready? Let's launch! Let's start with the rocket's body. Draw a tall oval shape standing up or flying high. That's the main part of the rocket. Now add a triangle on top of the oval. That's the rocket's pointy nose, perfect for zooming into space. Let's draw some windows so astronauts can look out. Draw 2 or 3 small circles on the rocket's body. You can make them big or small. Time to add rocket fins. Draw 1 triangle on each side of the bottom of the rocket. These help it stay balanced when it blasts off. Now, for the most exciting part. Flames! Draw wavy lines or zigzags coming out of the bottom. That's the fire pushing the rocket up. You can also draw stars or a planet in the background if you want your rocket flying through space. Let's color the rocket red and white, but you can choose your own colors. Maybe blue fins, a yellow top, or rainbow flames. Don't forget to color in the windows and add a little shine with white spots. Amazing job! You just drew your very own cartoon rocket ship.